Well, hello there, everybody. This is Reverend Wilson. Wow. I hope everybody had a great Memorial Day weekend. Spend time with your family. I give thanks to all of those who served and sacrificed for our freedom that we have today. And I want to bring to you a new extreme passive cash app miracle. I call it a Cash App miracle. This is the new extreme passive Cash App profits. Folks, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you need to make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell and hit that notification bell twice so that you are notified when these powerful opportunities come your way. Because remember, we don't bring anything to YouTube until we know that it works. And folks, what you are looking at right here, the new extreme passive cash app profits. This thing is so powerful because it will have you receiving $39 cash app payments on 3 levels. I never seen nothing like this before. When Rodney came up with this, I said, OMG, this can help so many people. Get paid multiple $39 cash app payments every day. Folks, this is incredible. And you receive this website as well, okay, when you join what I call this Cash App miracle. If you are struggling right now, if you are broke right now, here is a low-cost opportunity that can give you passive cash app payments down 3 levels. I've never seen this before. Down 3 levels, folks. This is incredible. Massive cash app profits. A residual income that is designed to never end. How would you like to have a residual income platform that never ends? Folks, this is incredible. You can be receiving $39 cash app payments every day, several times a day, from members, from partners that are on your team. This is crazy. Look at some of these cash app proofs. Look at this, folks. What would this type of extra income do for you? Now, I must give a disclaimer. Nothing takes place until you make it happen. You have to make it happen. You know, you wasn't put here to struggle. You wasn't put here to, money's supposed to work for you, not you working for money. Oh, that hit somebody right there. Let me say that again. Money is to work for you, not you working for money. Because when you work for money, you can only work so many hours. But when money works for you, it's working for you 24/7. It's working for you even as you sleep. And that's why I like this little cash app miracle. Receive $39 cash app payments on 3 levels. Get paid multiple cash app payments every day. Massive cash app profits. Here is a benefit that the owner, Rodney, is going to do when you become a member. He's going to do a solo ad sent to 10,000 buyer leads for you for free on all 3 levels. This is crazy right here. This is what the owner is going to do. This is what he's going to do when you become a part of this Cash App miracle. He's going to run a solo ad to 10,000 buyer leads for you for free on all 3 levels. Folks, the word is going to get out, and this is going to go viral. And as that piece of cake there says, it's as easy as pie. Yes, it is, folks. This is as easy as pie. Did you hear me? It's as easy as pie. This high converting website will fill your Cash App account with unlimited $39 Cash App payments on autopilot. On autopilot, folks. This is crazy. Remember, down 3 levels. Hurry up and join now. You can join right now. The Cash App information is in the description of this video. The link to this website is in the description of this video as well. Now, how does it all work? How does it all work? Great question. Well, when you join our team, okay, remember, this is the team. This is down 3 levels, so this is the team. We will, this is the owner of the program talking, we will email 10,000 buyer leads, sending them to your website, like this one, free with your name and Cash App cash tag on the #1 position. When your prospects joins, we will email 10,000 buyer leads for them also for free. Folks, do you see the power here? You also get 10,000 emailed again with your name and Cash App tagline in position #2. Folks, these $39 payments can start flowing into your Cash App account on autopilot. Okay? Then, as prospects join under you in all 3 positions, your name and Cash App tag keeps getting emailed to 10,000 again and again on position 1, position 2, and position 3, all the way to infinity. You will receive free receipt copy of our 10,000 email blast. Warning, this works very fast. Warning, this works very fast. How fast do you need some money right now? Have you been struggling? Are you stressed? Are you tired? How fast do you need some money? Well, folks, this Cash App system works very fast. Check out these life-changing numbers. It would change your financial future forever. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? A $39 system, but the leverage is amazing. Level 1, we email out 10,000 for you. And let's just say you only get a 1 response rate. 1 response. 1% response. That's 100 new members. Good God Almighty. 100 new members times $39 is $3,900. Well, 3,000, let's say it like that. $3,900. What would that do for you? What would that do for you? Just a little extra money. Just a little extra money going into your Cash App. Can you imagine going to your Cash App and you got $3,900 in your Cash App on autopilot? All right, let's go to level 2. These 100 do the same and get 100 each with your name in number 2 position. That's 10,000 new members at $39. That's $390,000. Think of the possibilities. Dream a little bit, folks. Think of the possibilities right here. Just level 2. Total payout, $390,000. These are extreme life-changing results. Your name can be on thousands of websites. Did you hear me? Your name can be on thousands of websites, bringing you $39 instant Cash App payments daily. This would explode on the 3rd level. We ain't even talking about the 3rd level. This will explode. Extreme passive Cash App profits will make your dream lifestyle possible. You don't gotta dream no more, folks. Cash is king, and your dream lifestyle can come into fruition. And check this out. All $39 instant Cash App payments comes directly to you. Your road to dream lifestyle and retirement starts here, and you can get started right now, fast, today. All you got to do is send $39 Cash App payment to each member listed below and to the administrator. Folks, this is, and if you don't have a Cash App, you just click right here, folks, and get a Cash App. Okay? You don't have a Cash App? You need a Cash App. Okay? All payments are verified before you receive your membership package and email blast service. After you make your $39 Cash App payments to each member below, you're going to want to send proofs of Cash App payments to the admin's email right here, cashinfinitymarketing@gmail.com. Okay? And here is the admin here, Rodney Gunther. Here's this Cash App, Big Money Closers. Okay? And you'll see the 3 positions here. Number 1, all right, you're going to send $39 Cash App payment to me, Reverend Andre Wilson, my Cash App, Pastor Andre Wilson. Number 2, you're going to send $39 Cash App to Owen Dunn. There's his Cash App ID. You can screenshot this. And number 3 is the admin. Okay? Lifestyle Marketing LLC. Cash App, Big Money Closers. Okay? So you're going to send 39 to 1, 39 to 2, and 39 to 3. Okay? Now, you're going to want to email the admin, okay? If you want your phone number listed on your website. You don't have to have your phone number listed. Admin takes all the calls for you right there. 415-434-9419. He takes all the calls for you right there. Okay? You can call the admin and talk to him directly. This is powerful. Oh my Lord, my time is about up. $39 Cash App payments are coming in fast. You want to join today. You want to join today. Go ahead and follow the instructions in the description. Go ahead and screenshot right here the 3 payments that need to be made. Let's get you started. Let's get you on the team, and God bless.